buona!
Fuori gioco. È gay comunque.
No, no,
Se no... te la farò vedere. Mano, volontaria. cazzo stai... Che fatto?
Dai Sanda, dai Sanda!
Grande Sanda!
I didn't mean to end this life. I know it wasn't right. I can't even sleep and I can't get it out my mind. I need to get out of sight, but I end up behind bars. What started out as a simple altercation turns into a real sticky situation. Me just thinking on the time that I'm facing makes me wanna cry. 'Cause I didn't mean to hurt him. Could have been somebody's son, and I took his heart with. I pulled out that gun, rum pa pa bum, rum pa pa bum, rum pa pa bum. Man down, rum pa pa bum, rum pa pa bum, rum pa pa bum. Man down, mama, mama, I just shot a man down in Central Station. Bum, rum pa pa bum. Man down, rum pa pa bum, rum pa pa bum, rum pa pa bum. Man down, mama, mama, I just shot a man down.
Quel tempo fa
In
vedi?
Central Station.
Fuori gioco. Pull the trigger, boom. And in a life so soon when me pull the trigger, pull it on you. Somebody tell me what I'm gonna do. Rum pa pa bum, rum pa pa bum, rum pa pa bum. Me say one man down. Oh me say rum pa pa bum, rum pa pa bum, rum pa pa bum. And me went downtown 'cause now I am a criminal. Well, I don't mercy. Now I am a criminal. Man down. Tell the judge, please give me minimal. Run out of town, none of them can see me now, Oh, mama, mama, I just shot a man down in Central Station in front of a big old crowd. Oh, mama, mama, I just shot a man down in Central Station. Eh sì.
Vai! Stanghe, vai!
I wasn't even searching for love. That's usually right when it creeps I know in my heart it's true. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Boy, you got my attention, what's up? My heart is beating. Feelings got me open so much.
Bravi, bravo. Dai, che buona, dai, bravo.
Surrender to love.
Viene fuori gioco. Questo no però.
Bravi, mezzo.
No!
Dai, subito.
I used to think I'd never fall in love. It's like my favorite star I used to stare down from the sky. Oh yeah.
Sì. Mino mi manca ancora.
Boy, I just can't get enough.
Mano.
Got my hands way up. Surrender to love.
Sì, ma che sta tanti fe. Ah sì, questo basta.
Allora, ha vinto la SD Colognola e seconda classificata il Newcastle, giusto? Perfetto. E i rappresentanti delle squadre, anzi se ci sono tutta la squadra, tanto vedo che siamo, venite.
Non so se che conviene.
Colognola e Newcastle. Il dottor Baggio, due parole?
Due parole, innanzitutto
Al Newcastle, così, perché siamo passati da Newcastello a ai bianchi, ai bianchi. Adesso la prima classificata al Colognola, la coppa, eccoli qui, gialli. Adesso passiamo al... Allora, io... S. Pogliano